Oh, hey! Welcome to Pure Light Ministries. Today, we're in the kitchen. Come on, let's go see what's cooking. When you're in the kitchen, it's important to have a clean cooking area. Also, make sure that you have all of the ingredients that your recipe calls for. Here in the kitchen, we know that there are a variety of foods to use, such as these, but not all of those foods will provide the right nourishment that our bodies need. Before consuming certain foods, you should always make sure to take a closer look at the ingredients. You know what's crazy about cooking in the Bible? There's a lot in common. As you can see, there are many different foods to cook while you're in the kitchen, and some of these foods will provide us with a healthy, nutritious meal that will strengthen our bodies. But there are other foods which contain little to no nutrients that may leave us feeling tired, irritable, and empty. Just like we need healthy and nutritious food to keep ourselves physically strong, we also need the right ingredients in our life to keep us spiritually strong. So let us ask ourselves, are we feeding our spiritual life the proper nourishment? Because man does not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of the Lord. Now, as you become more familiar in the kitchen, you should begin to develop a deeper relationship with the foods and the recipes that you'll be using. By exploring different methods of cooking, you will gain knowledge and wisdom as your culinary experience grows. If things seem hard at first, don't get discouraged. We all had a starting point. Remember, when we were brand new to cooking, our meals were simple, plain, and bland.
Everyone who lives on milk is unskilled in the word of righteousness because they are infants. But as we grow and gain experience, our recipes become more complex and our meals consist of large, nutritious portions bursting with flavor. Strong meat is for the mature, who by constant use have trained their senses to discern good from evil.
In the same way that we grow and transition from making simple and plain meals to more complex recipes, let us also apply this growth and transition to our spiritual life. And so it is, as we perfect our culinary skills in the kitchen to grow our physical bodies, let us not forget to perfect our spiritual skills as we move from drinking milk to eating meat.